Ellipse construction method 2. Let's proceed with the concentric circles method to construct the ellipse, having a major axis of 80 mm and a minor axis of 50 mm. First, draw the major axis, AB, and the minor axis, CD, of the specified lengths. Ensure that they bisect each other at right angles at the center point, O. Next, with O as the center and radii equal to half of the lengths of the major and minor axis, respectively, draw two concentric circles, one larger and one smaller. Now, divide both the larger and smaller circles into an equal number of parts, for example, 16. And mark the points accordingly, as shown. After that, join each point on the larger circle to its opposite point across the major axis. Then, join each point on the smaller circle to its opposite point across the minor axis, extending the lines to meet the lines from the larger circle. Finally, connect all the intersection points with a smooth, continuous curve to complete the required ellipse. This method is highly visual and clearly illustrates the proportional relationship between the major and minor axes. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.